Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to protect your Word document with password from your laptop. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, from my laptop or my desktop, I just open the document which I want to protect and which I want to create a document. So my documents is saved with my drive, so I can able to get the file and I want to protect my document. So this is my document, sample documents, so which have contained a confidential information. So I would like to protect the documents. I would like to make a password so that any person cannot able to open the Word document without prior information, without any other password. Yes, let's see how to lock the Word document from your laptop or desktop. So this is my Word document. Just to click the file, you will find called info. There will be a save option, new, open, save as will be available. In info, there will be a file name, the file size and everything will be available. Here you will find a name called protect document. So once you click a protect document, there will be a make as a final, encrypt with the password, a restrict, edit, and everything will be available. Just to click encrypt with password. So once you click encrypt with password, the password will ask you. So once I give 1 2 3 4 5, simply I give 1 2 3 4 5. So you can give us what you want. Just click OK. It will ask you re-enter the password 1 2 3 4 5. So I have given the written password. So the password is protected to my Word document. This protect documents is in yellow color so that my documents is protected. So now I would like to save the document in the save file. So save. Once I click the save option, automatically this document both encrypted and password protected. So just click yes. Yes. So if you want to save your documents, so document sample file to send. So once I want to send information with my colleague, so he wants to get information, so you need to have the look everything. So your document will be upgraded to the newer version of format. Just click OK. Yes. So my document is saved with a protection. Just close this. So once I send the mail or anything else, if I want to open from my client side or any other side, I would like to open. So sample file to send. Just to click open, automatically the document, it will ask the password. So once you enter the password only, you can able to view the file, whatever documents is there. So in this kind of way, encrypt your documents means it will be secure. For example, I have given wrong password, means automatically it will show you no, this password is incorrect, we cannot open the file, like that it will ask you. So you need to give a proper password with your colleague. You need to ask and enter the password and you can able to read the document. So this is an easy step. You can able to lock your document. If you want to remove the protection, means just to click the file and just to click the protect document, same in info, and just encrypt with password and just type OK. So this is an encryption with password. Just to click OK and remove the password and click OK. Then the document will be free. So without the password, the document will be saved over here. So just to open automatically your password, without the password you can able to open. So in this video, you know how to lock the Word document and how to remove the lock from the Word document. You can able to understand. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.